how to turn on or turn off sync news data to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button. In here, we scroll down and then tap on News. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on News Sync. So tap on it. And here you can choose to keep the data on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. So I will select keep on my iPhone. And then you can also tap on the toggle button to turn on sync for news. When you turn it on, you can choose to merge or cancel. So I will select merge. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.